welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and welcome if you're new. Today is part 2 of my office makeover and the tour and reveal, so make sure you watch all the way till the end. I'm starting off with these 2 bookcase units that I purchased at Walmart, and all of the links to all of the products I'm using in this video will be in my description box below. And anything I purchased on Amazon will always be available in my Amazon storefront. So the instructions were easy to read, and it was very easy to put together following the instructions. And just like 1, 2, 3, I was done in about a half an hour. Not too bad. Your girl is pretty handy. Okay, so I like the way this is looking. Still got to peel the stickers off. I'll clean it down, and then I'm going to add some decor. But I thought it would be just a little bit taller. So the TV height is now too tall. I need to bring it down to match the wall unit height. So I'm going to drop it about 6 inches. And lastly, I'm going to put up the unit on this side. Moving right along, next up is my desk. I purchased my desk and my side chair on Overstock.com, and both will be linked in my description box. Here I have some of the accessories that I'm going to use in my office. There's a few things that I'm still waiting for. This is the rug I chose. This will be a office chair. In this bag, I have some pillows that I picked up. And in here, let me get this unboxed so you don't have to listen to all the rattling, and I'll show you what I got. These beautiful candle stands with the bling I picked up at Home Goods for $9.99 each. And these bookends were on clearance for $5. Yes, because the ends were a little cheap. But honey, you know me. I got some black paint, touched up those ends, and called it a day. Huh. And now this mirror I absolutely love, and you're gonna see a quick DIY on that. Now let's put together the office chair. Very easy instructions, went together 1, 2, 3. This I purchased on Amazon, and these cute desk lamps I got at the thrift store. All the other accessories I already had on hand. So let's continue on. I love this mirror and the little edge. It's almost like a shadow box. I like that effect. But what I didn't like was the wood trim inside. So I have a little black paint, and I'm gonna do a quick DIY and paint the inside And the outside.
Honey, let's be downright honest and keep it 100. I don't call myself thrifty, I am downright cheap. But some things you have to spend a little bit extra on. Case in point, the Dollar Tree paint. It did not adhere well, so I will have to go over that with a better black paint. Now I'm gonna put up some of the artwork and accessories in the room. If you're enjoying today's video, do me a favor and give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Now on to the reveal. I am so happy with the way my office came together. Let me know what you think in those comments, because you know I love hearing from you and I love getting your feedback. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've been inspired to make over your office or create a whole new office space. And it doesn't have to be a whole room, it could be a corner in your home. Thank you again for watching, and until next time.